Hi everyone, my name is Jasmine and I'm an assistant merchant at Sephora.
Hey everyone, I'm David. I'm a beauty director at Sephora. Now raise your hand if you are one of the people out there who thinks of makeup setting sprays as that final step in your makeup application, right? I think that's almost all of us. But as a professional makeup artist, there's other ways to use setting sprays. So this month in your Play by Sephora box, many of you are going to be receiving a classic setting spray, the Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. And this is a great setting spray, not only for your final step, but also to use as a mixing medium to really enhance the performance of other makeup areas. I am gonna show you 3 specific tips of how you can use this setting spray with other makeup products to really enhance their performance.
3 different ways?
Yes, I know. I already informed Jasmine on one. The first one, the one that Jasmine used, is actually with your foundation application.
I love this tip.
So what you really wanna do is you wanna make sure that you're saturating your brush with the setting spray so that it's really nice and damp with it. And then basically you're going to apply your foundation as normal from this part. So taking a little bit of the foundation, picking it up with your brush and applying to the face. In essence, you're basically just combining the 2 products and creating more of a long wear set instantly. Okay, so the next area where we're gonna use our setting spray is with a highlighter.
What?
I know. And a powder highlighter at that.
You have to tell me more.
I know. So listen, I know it can be a little intimidating. We think of liquids and powders being like, keep them far away from each other, right? In this case, actually, the setting spray is gonna work as an excellent medium to create a little bit more of a creamy consistency with your powder highlighters, but it won't cause any caking. In fact, it's gonna create a more smooth texture and a much longer wear. Okay, so the first step that you're gonna do is the same thing as the foundation, which is to saturate your brush and make sure that it's got a nice damp consistency with that setting spray. And then you're going to pick up your product with that dampened brush, and then I'm going to apply it to the cheek. And because it's got this slightly dampened texture to it, it's gonna work a little bit more like a cream, but it's gonna dry down like a powder, and it's instant set. So the setting spray is really locking it into place, so you don't have to worry about it moving. Okay, I have to show you, this looks so good. Take a look at how amazing that looks.
Oh my gosh, love it.
It's so beautiful and it has no texture to your skin. It's just a beautiful glow. Okay, so the final way that I'm gonna show you how to use this is actually with your eyeshadow.
Really?
I know, interesting. So basically, in essence, what you're going to be doing is still saturating your brush, except this time it's your eyeshadow brush, and you're gonna create 3 particular benefits to your eyeshadow. 1, you're gonna give it a bit of a more creamy consistency, which is gonna give you a higher payoff. So the colors are gonna look a lot richer and they're gonna be a lot more intense. So that's a great way to get the most out of your eyeshadows. Secondly, with a creamy consistency, you get less fallout. So you can do this at any time, even if your foundation is already done and flawless, you're not gonna have to worry about eyeshadow falling down and creating any problems. And the third great way is you're creating a built-in primer and setter for your eyeshadow. So it's gonna last all night, all day, whatever you want.
So it's double-sided tape for your eyeshadow.
Oh my God, I love that. That's so good.
I have my own tip.
I stole it. I'm stealing that. It's so good. So we're gonna saturate our brush as before. So I'm gonna go into some of this brownish, sort of rusty color eyeshadow. So I'm gonna start by tapping this into place. So to get a nice blend, you can either take your finger and just tap through the edge, or you can take a clean blending brush and just buff out the edge. And you don't even have to go over the center part because that's set, it's locked in place and it's ready to go. So now we gotta show you. So take a look at how good this looks.
Wow, this looks like you used a ton of shadows and it was just one shadow.
Just one shade. And it increases the pigmentation and the performance of it. So it just looks that much more impressive.
Great.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed these tips and tricks. We love to bring them to you. And until next time, guys, enjoy your setting sprays and enjoy your makeup. Bye.